こんにちは。Welcome to Lesson 1. Let's learn how to find a place in Japanese. You'll pick up the essential expressions, practice speaking, and learn a culture tip. Please call me Arai sensei. If you want to visit Japan, please subscribe and set the bell. You'll get the useful phrases. Are you ready? Let's begin. Imagine you've just arrived at the airport and looking for a Wi-Fi rental shop. Wi-Fi rental. Let's ask her. First, say, すみません. Excuse me. Repeat, please. すみません. すみません. Next, Wi-Fi レンタルはどこですか? What marks the topic? In this case, Wi-Fi レンタル. どこですか means where is. So, talking about Wi-Fi レンタル, where is it? More naturally, where is Wi-Fi rental? Okay? Repeat, please. Wi-Fi レンタルはどこですか? Wi-Fi レンタルはどこですか? Good! She says, あそこです。Over there. And you say, ありがとうございます。Thank you. And don't forget to bow. I'll tell you why at the culture tip section. Repeat, please. ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。Nice! Okay, let's practice now. You're looking for モノレール. Get attention. Yes, すみません. Ask where the monorail is. Good. モノレールはどこですか? あそこです。Say thank you. ありがとうございます。Well done. Next, you're looking for Japan Rail Line, JR 線. You say, すみません. Ask, JR 線はどこですか? 1階です。1階 means first floor in Japan, but ground floor in the UK. And then, ありがとうございます。Nice. Next, let's find Narita Express. Go. すみません. Ask, 成田エクスプレスはどこですか? 地下1階です。地下 is basement. You say, ありがとうございます。The last conversation. Let's find the タクシー乗り場. The taxi rank. Go. すみません。タクシー乗り場はどこですか? あそこです。ありがとうございます。Excellent! If you want to learn more, try the playlist called Basic Japanese for Beginners Part 1. Also, please check Japanese pronunciation for beginners if you want. Now, culture tip for you. A question. Why do Japanese people bow? You can make the other person higher by lowering yourself. It shows respect to the person. Make sense? And just bowing is polite enough if you forget Japanese phrases. It's useful everywhere, for example, at the airport, at a hotel, and in a shop. Okay, today's summary. まとめ. Tell me the expressions you learned today. Yes, すみません. Place はどこですか? ありがとうございます。And the culture tip? Yes, you bow to show respect. Well done on the first lesson. Lesson 2 is train and metro. So don't miss out and please subscribe and set the bell if you haven't. Thank you for learning my language. Let's keep going. Please click like and share if you enjoyed the video. If you want to learn more, please visit masterspeakingjapanese.com. You can access for more lessons. Thank you very much for watching my lesson. I'd love to see you on another video. Bye for now.